6F problem I want you to do by yourself, and if you have any doubts, I will help you. I'll do it in the class. Okay, because most of them I don't think will be difficult. You will be able to do it. Okay, factorization, chapter 67, page number 67. Okay, yes. So what is the meaning of factorization? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of factorization? Whatever you know, tell me what is factorization.
Converting equation into its simplest form.
Simplest form, or
converting it into its lowest factors.
Yes, that is all. You're finding different factors of a given equation. That's all. Okay, so there are different approaches, and you have been learning that, I think, right from your 7th grade or from 8th grade. You know, when a factorization question comes, first step is finding the common factors. Whatever is common, take that out. Then grouping. So there are some 4-5 types. So you have to see what type of question is given to you and approach the problem like that. Okay, so let's start doing it. So the first 2-3 methods are going to be revision of what you have learned in your 8th grade and probably 7th grade. So let's start doing it. First type is called taking out common factors. Taking common factors. Here, if I give you a question like 6a square minus 3ax, what are, I forgot to turn on the video and all that. Just 1 minute. I completely forgot. Okay, turn on your videos. Yes. Okay, so let's continue. So what is common factor here? In 6a square minus 3x. Yeah, tell me. What is common here?
3a.
3a. 3a is common. Now, if I take out 3a, what is left in the first term?
A minus x. No, 2a minus x.
2a minus x. Is it correct? What do you think, Shreya? Shreya, are you speaking? I'm not able to hear you. I'm still not able to hear you. Did you say anything, Shreya? I think she's not able to hear me. Hello, Shreya, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear? You are all able to hear me, right? Vidat and Gia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't know, maybe some issues with her from her side. Anyway, so here, this is the answer. So you please write it down. Whenever you are given a question, first thing you need to check is there any common factor or not? If there is common factor, take that out. This is one factor, and this is the second factor of this polynomial. Okay. Let's do another question. If I give you another question, second question, 8ab square plus 12 a square b. With that, can you tell me what is common here?
Ma'am, 4AB.
4ab is common, yes. And what do I need to take? What will be the first?
2B plus 3A.
3a, that's right. Okay, next one. I don't know, Shreya. Okay, Shreya is still connecting. Next one is 4x plus y the whole square minus 3 into x plus y. Shreya, are you able to hear me? Hello? Shreya? I'm not sure. Okay, so I'll go to Gia. Gia, tell me what is common in this.
X plus y.
X plus y, okay. Take out x plus y. What am I left with? What am I left with?
4 the whole x plus y minus 3.
Minus 3. And now I have to solve it. So x plus y into 4x plus 4y minus 3. This is the answer. Again, wait. 4 is also, oh no, 4 is not a factor. So this is the answer. You can write it down if you want, okay? This is one factor. This is the second factor. This entire thing is the second factor. Okay. Now, third one, I want to do some more problems from exercise. So I'll pick up those. Yeah. Shreya, are you able to hear me? At least message here. Are you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. So next question is, okay, so question is this: AB into a square plus b square minus c square. You can write it down, okay? AB into a square plus b square minus c square minus bc into c square minus a square minus b square plus ca into a square plus b square minus c square. So this is the question. So here, I want you to look at it and tell me what is a common factor here. Shreya, can you help me?
Could you repeat?
This is the question. I have written a fourth question on the board. Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
tell me what we are doing now is we are finding the factors of this equation. Okay, so I am looking for common factor. So I have just taught one approach, and that is common factor. So when the approach is common factor, that's the only thing which I have taught you. So you are clear that there is some common factor hiding there. So that common factor I have to take out. Okay, so I want you to tell me which is the common factor. If you don't see a common factor, can you do some adjustment so that you can create a common factor? Just look at it, you will get it.
Ma'am, is it a square?
Is not just a square, not just
A square, b square, c square.
yeah, you mean a square plus b square minus c square. That's what you meant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have a square plus b square minus c square. Here also you have a square plus b square minus c square. What is here?
A square plus b square minus c square.
But
no, that's what you pointed out.
Right. So what is coming here? What is coming here? Are you understanding, Shreya, my question? So here I have put an arrow. I don't know whether you're able to see. It's a pale green color one. So c square minus a square minus b square. Can I make it like this, like this? Can I make in this format? Is it possible?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't understand the third one. I was about to
Which is
ask
the,
you.
which is the third one? This one?
4x plus y.
Oh, okay, 4x plus y the whole square. Okay, so here, can you, I'm just going back. So this is one term, right? This entire thing can be considered as one term. And this and as a second term, 3 into x plus y is coming.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not expanding it. So both has x plus y in common. Both means this has one x plus, this has 2. 2 means x into y, x plus y, the whole square is coming in the first term. Here you have x plus y, just x plus y. So that is common. So take out x plus y. Just x plus y you're taking out. So when you take x plus y, what is remaining in the first term? What is remaining in?
So if you take out x plus y, what is remaining in the first term? 4x plus y.
4x plus y. That is what I have written here in this side.
Yeah.
And from the second term, if I take x plus y, what is remaining? Just 3, right?
Minus 3.
Yeah, that's all. So now I am expanding it. 4 into x plus y. I'm making it 4x plus 4y minus 3. Because I don't see anything common in this. Is there anything common? Nothing is there, right? So when nothing is there, you just expand it and keep it. So this is the first term and this is going to be the second term. Second factor, not term, second factor. Okay. So now coming back to this question, if you want to pass, you can pass it to another person, not a problem. So here, this question, in this case, I am asking you to find out a common factor. So you said it is a square plus b square minus c square, which is correct.
Yeah.
But the problem is for this term and this term, I see a square plus b square minus c square straight. But for the second term, I don't see that as a square plus b square minus c square. I see it in a different way. The minus negative terms are, c square is positive and a square and b square has become negative here. Whereas for other two, a square and b square are positive and c square is negative, right?
Yeah.
So what do I need to do so that all the three terms become, a square plus b square minus c square?
Ma'am, can you change it?
Yeah, I can change it, but how can I change it? I can change it without affecting the overall meaning. Anyone has any suggestion? Vidat, Jia, Shreya, you can also think.
Thinking.
That doesn't mean that.
Ma'am, do you multiply it by the minus next to BC?
Yes, I can multiply it by the minus BC. So it will become plus BC, right? Or I take a negative term from that. From 1 minute. Just removing all this other things. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is from the second term, which is my second term, BC into C square minus A square minus B square is my second term. Either I take that minus term and multiply with each of them. That will make BC plus BC. And inside it will become minus C square plus A square plus B square. That is one way of doing it. Or minus BC remains there. And I am taking a minus from inside. Both has the same meaning eventually. So I take one minus out. So negative I am taking out. When I take negative out, inside what is there? Negative c square plus a square plus b square, which will make it negative and negative makes it positive bc into a square plus b square minus c square. Understood or not? Confusing? Okay. Vidat, it is confusing for you, Vidat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you're doing here is, what you want a square plus b square minus c square. Okay, what you want is that, but what is given to you? Just the negative of that. Negative of that is given to you. So what you will
I
do?
got it now.
You understood. Good. What about you, Shreya?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second method.
The second method is actually, this part is negative of this one. Or if I just take negative of, wait, I'm just considering this, okay? Just take this. If I take negative out, just taking negative out from this, what will that become? Can you tell me, Shreya?
Ma'am, it will be minus c square
Mm-hmm.
plus a square
Mm-hmm.
plus b square.
Plus b square, that's all. So that's what I did. I took negative out. See, I took negative out. Okay, that's the second method. And minus BC is already there. These are all product. So minus BC into negative of that thing will make it plus BC into a square plus b square minus c square. Make sense? Okay, that's all. So this is the thing that you're doing with the second term. I just expanded it like this. So you might have to do this with your, other problems when asked. So you can probably write it down, which usually this is the approach people follow. This is the approach. So you can just write it down. This is what you're going to do with your second term. Like that, you can just write down, just taking the second term, just handle it this way. And then repeat the question. I'm just writing the question once again, rewriting the question. I would say a square plus b square minus c square. The second term will become plus bc into same thing, a square plus b square minus c square. Third term will become minus ca, a square plus b square minus c square. Now I can say,
now it will be, can I answer?
Yeah.
A square plus b square minus c square into ab plus bc plus ca.
That's all. AB plus BC plus CA. That's it. Okay. That's it. This will give you the final answer. Okay. Let's do next one. Next, can we do 1 minute? Let me just check behind the textbook. Are they really going anything extra or not? 5A, right? Exercise 5A. 1 minute. Yes, exercise 5A. Exercise 5A, third one. That's all. That's all what they are doing. Next one, next question I'm giving. This is exercise 5A, fourth question. Okay. 2x into a minus b plus 3y into 5a minus 5b plus 4z into 2b minus 2a. So I told you, I have taught you only one method, which is taking common factor out. So you know that this is definitely that approach only. Tell me if whoever wants to try can try.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yeah.
Ma'am, will it become a minus b?
First you rewrite. Yeah, first you rewrite, because here you see a minus b, but it is in a different style. So
rewrite. 5, you take 5 outside.
So I'll write it a minus b plus 3y into 5 out. Okay.
The whole a minus b.
A minus b. Okay.
Plus 4z into 2.
Is it just 2? What should I take out?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Take minus 2 out. Yes. And this will make
a minus b.
Right. Any questions, others? Just take 1 minute to process.
When you take minus 2 out, it will still be b minus a, right?
No.
And then
when you take.
Oh yeah, I got it.
There are 2 5s. Why is there only 1 5 taken out?
Because when 5 is multiplied by both a and b.
like
That's
this,
why it's
no?
outside the bracket.
When you get like this, how will you expand this 5 into a minus b? How will you expand, Shreya?
5a minus 5b.
5a minus 5b. So you need to take only 1 5, right?
Okay.
Because you're taking common factor out. Okay. So let
Yeah.
me just. So this is what you have to do. So this is what is meant by taking common factor out. So now a minus b is out. Take a minus b out, and you are left with 2x
2x plus 15y plus
no,
minus
uh,
8z.
8z. That's it. This is 8. Okay. Done. Now the second type. We are going to learn the second type, which is called grouping. So your task is, when a question is given to you, look for is there any common factor or not. That is the first step. If there is any common factor, do that. That step. You should remember what needs to be done. Just follow that. Second step is called grouping. You don't see any common factor across the equation, but you see something common among two terms like that. So you group them and then take the common factor out. That is coming under grouping. I'll just give an example. The question is like this: AB plus BC plus AX plus CX. Okay, just write down this question: AB plus BC plus AX plus CX. Without any idea?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
First part will be B into A plus C plus X into A plus C.
Perfect.
So that will become B plus X into A plus C.
Yes, so you take, in the next step, you see common factor. So this step becomes take the common factor out. So take A plus C, and then what are you left with? B plus X. Yeah. If you're done, we'll move on to the next one. So here you have two steps. First, you have to do a regroup.
And just one question. The exam on Sunday, what are the topics again?
Just expansion and rational and irrational numbers. That's
okay.
it. Yeah. 2 chapters. Make sure you do. See, there is a chance of careless mistake. I know you all understood the concepts, but avoid careless mistake and writing question. When you write the question into your paper, there is a chance that you write it wrongly. Because of that also, you might go wrong. So those things you be careful and practice more and more problem. That is the idea of giving you exam, nothing else. Okay, let's do the next question. Can I move on? Second question is AB square minus A minus 1 into B minus 1. This is the next question. So when this kind of a question come, what kind of question is this? You might be a little confused. You don't see anything common here. Nothing is looking good. So here what you will do, just expand it. This term you expand. Okay. So AB square will remain AB square. When you expand, B is the common factor. For the second term, B is the common factor. You will make it minus AB. See, minus and B, even though B is written here, minus and B is common. Okay, so remember that. When you expand, it will become minus AB plus B. Clear, no? Minus AB plus B minus 1. Any questions here? Shreya? Understood, Shreya?
Ma'am, where did the plus b come from?
This negative goes to this term, and this negative goes to this term. So negative into negative makes it positive 1.
Okay.
Got it? So that's how that plus b comes from there. Negative a anyway, that negative, basically you are multiplying negative b with each term. That's why. Yeah. Okay. Now, Shreya, can you tell me which term, which all you should group?
Which all?
You should group. How the grouping should be done. See, the idea is after you group, you should get something like this. So if you look at this, there is a common factor for this term, the same common factor coming for the other term also. Okay. So this is the purpose of your grouping. Fine. So when you do a grouping here in this step,
Ma'am, can
you
I try?
have, yeah, 1 minute.
This,
Yeah.
yeah, after that.
Yeah, after next question, I will ask you to try. Huh? So here, Shreya, I want you to look at this and tell me, you can try. See, sometimes first attempt itself, you will not get it right. So it's okay. You can decide to, you pick up two things which have some common factor. When you look at it, AB square and B, you can think of taking, or if you want, you can take AB square and AB. Any which way is fine. But you know, only one approach will give you the right answer. Got it? So I will take this AB square 1, AB square plus B. Yeah.
Okay.
See, this might
Nothing.
not be the right approach. This might not be the right approach, but I want to show you the wrong also. Only then you will learn the right. Okay, so take AB square plus B minus AB minus 1. Okay. Now here, what is common in this group and this group? What is common in
B.
B is common. Okay, fine. I'm taking B out. What is left?
A, B. A.
B.
Yeah, A, B.
And then?
Minus A minus 1.
No. What about this one?
I think
Ma'am,
the correct
we took that B out, right?
I took, yeah, whichever way. This is very straight question. Whatever way I take, it is going to be correct only. That's the problem. Yeah. So if I take B out, if I take B out from this term, what you said is correct. Yeah, I will get
AB.
A. If I take B out from this term, what is left? What is there? What is pending?
Ma'am, nothing is left.
Nothing means what?
0.
1.
No, 1.
0 into B will be 0. So
Yeah.
we don't want 0. This term was not 0. This was B, right? So you will be writing AB plus 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Now here I have both negative. Here I got AB plus 1. So I am trying to make this term also AB plus 1. How can I make it AB plus 1?
You can multiply
Yes.
with B.
No, if I multiply
No,
with
AB.
become it. No, if I multiply with AB, B, what will happen? This will become AB square and minus B square. That I don't, minus B. That I don't want. Here I have the format.
Multiply by 1.
Multiply by 1 also will not help me, but you are close. Multiply with 1, but some different form of 1. What is that? Or I would say
multiply with, no, the minus 1 I meant.
That's what. Take out, or I will say take out minus 1. This, both the terms are negative. If I take negative out and put it in a bracket, don't you think I can write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? So I am taking, both the terms are negative, so take out negative. When I take negative out, I am left with AB plus 1. So when I expand, it becomes negative AB minus 1.
Yeah.
Right? So now I have AB plus 1 common. Take it out. When I take AB plus 1 out, what is left here? Only B. B. And what about here? What is left here? I'm taking AB plus 1 out together.
1.
1. So it becomes B minus 1. So this is the answer. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, write it down. Those who have not completed writing, please write it down. Let's do the next problem then after writing. Without any question, are you there asking something in between? Without?
No, ma'am, no questions.
Okay. So if you had taken, AB square minus AB, then also you will get the same answer, right? Both ways, you will get the same answer. That's right. This kind of question, if comes for exam, it will be very simple, but you will not get such simple question. I'm telling you, because you are in 9th, it is going to be very complex question. So exercise 5B and E is what you have to look more. D and E kind of question is what you will get for your exam. Okay. So if you're done, let's do the next question. Third one, a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 minus 5a minus 5 by a. This, if you want to do this, you should know expansion, the previous expansions chapter. Okay, now do. What will be, Gia wants to do, right, Gia? Huh? You want to do and then tell, okay. Okay, try, all of you try. So I'll give you a clue. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2 is a plus 1 by a the whole square. Okay, so this is going to be a plus 1 by a the whole square. Now take the common factor out from the second term. So you all do. Those who have completed, that person will help me to finish it.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah, tell me, Shreya, what is the next part I need to do?
Ma'am, so I did a mistake. One second.
Yeah. What do I need to take out? That's all you need to tell me.
Ma'am, do you have to take out a plus 1 by a?
Yeah, but here, how will I fix it? How I want to first bring it in that format.
Ma'am, you just multiply it by minus.
Like this?
Minus,
Take out minus 5. That's what
yeah,
you're saying.
take out minus 5.
Okay. And what am I left inside?
Minus
plus-
a, no,
A plus
1 by.
1 by 8.
1 A plus 1 by A.
No,
Now what is
won't it be minus, like in front of the a, minus a plus 1 by a? May it come like that?
what did you say? Minus A?
No, ma'am. Minus 5 the whole, minus a
Okay, minus A.
plus 1 by a. Won't it come like that?
No, because minus and minus will make it what? It
No.
will make it plus 5A, right? And this becomes minus 5 by A. But here, look at this. What do you want? You want negative 5.
Mhm.
Understood, Gia?
Oh, okay. Got it.
So that is why you don't do both negative. Okay, so here, now we are all clear. You have to take A plus 1 by A out. And what are you left inside?
Plus 1 by
A plus 1 by a minus 5.
Minus 5. That's it. You can stop here. Okay, now let's do some questions from exercise.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so yeah, next question is exercise 5A. I'm picking up few questions from there. Fifth question is a cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. A cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. So think first, okay? Think how the grouping should be done and then do it. You can try grouping. See, don't try to get the grouping right in the first time itself. You can try, strike it out and do it. Once you practice, you will get that automatically.
Ma'am, I got it.
You got? Tell me how to do it.
Ma'am, so you take A out in the first batch.
This is how you have done the grouping?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the grouping. So first thing, you have to write it together. Which all you're planning to take it, write it together. But in your case, you have already written it. It's the question, it's already together. So fine. Now take A out. Fine. What do I
And
need to
then
do next?
you get A square plus 1
Mm-hmm.
minus 3
Mm-hmm.
the whole A square plus 1.
Okay. Now?
A square plus 1 the whole A minus 3.
Okay. I hope others don't have any question. Yeah. Let's do the next one then. Pretty simple ones I'm not doing. Yeah, let's do 8th one. So which all will be homework. So this is going to be homework. This is going to be homework. So, AB into x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square. AB into x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square. That is actually 9th question, not 8th question. Do that. When you don't see anything common, no, just go and expand and then go for the group. Okay. So all of you got the answer? Without
Yes.
any question? Yeah, you
No.
understand. Okay, let's do the next one. 11th one, ax plus by the whole square plus bx minus by the whole square. Try that. If you don't see anything common, just go and expand. Expansion, I hope you all remember. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This format, you have to expand the
And should we apply that here?
Yeah. Because both are, this is whole square, this is whole square. And there is nothing common you see. So you have to expand, and then, something will be there to cancel out, and then you do the grouping. Okay, this is a little lengthy one, but these kind of question you can expect for your exam. Vedant, can you tell me what is ax plus by the whole square? Just the first term. Can you tell me ax plus by the whole square? Expansion. Using this.
I don't remember.
It is using a square plus b square plus 2ab. So how will you apply that formula on ax plus by the whole square? It is ax the whole square plus by the whole square plus 2 times a is ax into b is by. Understood? That's all. So just apply that plus second for
ax into by is ax by, right?
yes.
Okay, just a confusion. That's right.
No problem. Next one is bx the whole square plus ay the whole square minus 2 times bx ay. This will give me, you can continue doing by yourself. I'm just doing it. That's all.
Ma'am, another doubt. So when you are done with all the steps and you join make the groups together, can we cut out 2ax by
Yes.
and minus 2? You can cut that, right?
Yes.
Mom, I got the answer.
Yeah. What did you get?
The final answer? A square plus b square, a square plus b square, and x square plus y square.
Yeah, into x square plus y square. That's it. Okay. All of you got this, or do you want me to wait? See, whatever doubts you have, just clarify and then move on. Okay, just don't think that I will watch the recording later and then decide. No, just ask the doubts and then get it clarified. Now let's do the next one. Yeah, 15th one. Y square minus a plus b into y plus ab. Y square minus a plus b into y plus ab. This one. Same approach, you don't see anything common, so go and expand first. Shreya, any doubt, Shreya?
No, ma'am, I could not solve it, so I was seeing how you did it.
Okay. Just took the minus out, that's all. For this, I have taken the minus out, minus b out. Maybe negative and positive, you have to be very careful, okay? When you put that thing, that if you go wrong with the negative and positive, then you won't be getting the answer. Okay. So with that, did you get this? Okay. So can
Yes,
I move on to the next question? Okay. Next one is 19th one. M into x minus 3y the whole square plus n into 3y minus x plus 5x minus 15y. This is very easy. I want all of you to observe properly. This is little bit of readjustment, taking negative out, taking something out. That is all. Just careful, be careful. Just look carefully and then do it. Okay.
In case there are comments, but we can't do it, can we expand and do it?
Then you will not get the answer sometimes.
You
It
won't?
will be difficult. So in this question, no, you see that x minus 3y, the other one is 3y minus x. That itself shows that, okay, there is common. So mostly the third one means here also that 3y minus x or x minus 3y is hiding.
It is.
You just need
I
to,
see it. I see it. I got it.
yeah, that you just need to, rearrange it. Are you getting? Shreya, were you able to find out the hidden things?
No, ma'am, I'm still doing.
Still, okay. So I will help you. So this one, how can we fix it? I'm talking about the second term, okay? What can we do to make it x minus 3y? I want x minus 3y. How can I make it x minus 3y? From the given thing, if I take negative, will I get x minus 3y? Just take negative out. If I just write plus n into negative 1, negative out means just negative 1 out, do I get x minus 3y? Do I get? Check it. Minus into x. What is minus into x? Minus into x is negative x, right? Now, what is negative into negative 3y? Negative into negative 3y is plus 3y. Is it not? So I am getting plus 3y minus x when I multiply this. So don't you think this solves my problem? Getting it, Shreya? You did not. Okay. So I'll again explain. I'll take this out and explain. 3y minus x. This is the second term, right? Can I write this as minus n into I'm taking out negative. Remember that. If I write it, can I write it as negative 3y plus x? This is my question. No? Yes. Is it not x minus 3y? That's all. That's all what I did. Okay. So this gives me that second step. Now look at 5x minus 15y. 5x minus 15y. Is there anything common there? What?
Ma'am, can you divide the 15 by 5, right? You'll get 3y.
Not divide. The common factor. Take common factor out. What is common there? 5. 5 is common. Take out 5. What am I left with?
X minus 3y.
X minus 3y. So I got x minus 3y from that also. So now I am going to rewrite the first thing as m into x minus 3y the whole square minus n. Why? Because here I have given a negative out. So I'm in the question it was plus n. I am making it negative n into, see, I am not bringing in anything new. I am just readjusting by taking negative out. That's all. Okay. Negative x minus 3y plus 5 into x minus 3y. That's all. Okay. Now, when you look at it, x minus 3y is common everywhere, right? Can I take x minus 3y? Vedat, what do you think? Can I take it out?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes. Yeah. So I'm taking x minus 3y out. So in the first term, what is left?
M into x minus 3y, which will become mx minus 3ym.
Okay.
Minus n plus y.
Minus n plus 5. Yes. So minus n plus 5. That's all the answer is. That's it. Okay. So making that x minus 3y common was the task there. 1 minute. Let me just have a look whether they have got the same answer. Mx.
Ma'am, it's right only, ma'am. I just checked.
Yeah. Okay. That's correct. Yes. Next one is 17th one. X square plus y square plus x plus y plus 2xy. This also requires expansion chapters knowledge. Just think and tell me how will you do it. X square plus y square plus x plus y plus 2xy. You do a little bit of rearrangement, then you will get something. X square plus y square plus 2xy plus x plus y. Are you familiar with this guy? What is that?
X plus y the whole square.
That's all.
Done.
Right? X plus y the whole square plus x plus y. Make these guys together. Vedat, are you getting Vedat?
Ma'am, we have to put the plus sign in the middle, right?
Yes, you have to put. Now what is common you can see.
It will become
Take x plus
y into
X plus
x
y.
plus y.
Y plus 1.
Right.
Yeah.
That's all. Okay. One more question and then I'll wind up. 20th question. If any of you are not getting it clearly, please do ask me. I can explain it. It's x into 6x minus 5y minus 4 into 6x minus 5y the whole square. This is very simple. I don't know why I chose that. Anyway, you do it.
6 minus 5y, and then in bracket x minus 4 into 6 minus 5y, which will become x minus minus 24. Wait, no.
Yeah, that's correct.
24x minus 20y.
Not minus. This minus
Not
and
plus 20y, plus 20y.
plus 20y. Now you can solve it again, right? 6x minus 5y will become 20y minus 23x. Right. Remaining all the questions from exercise is a homework. Not much. By the way, Saturday morning you have class.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, morning, what time?
What time is good for you?
Ma'am, like 10:30 or something.
Okay. What about others? Are you all fine with 10:30? Yeah. If any
Sunday.
no, Saturday. Saturday. Sunday is the test. If you, I believe everyone will come by 3 o'clock, right? So the questions, yeah. If you are, if you understood everything and if you have written it down, you can you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. I'll send the homework. Okay, I'll send the homework in the group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.